We got this amazing foldable convertible sofa bed. Amazing value, super comfortable as you can see. Nice comfort, nice and padded. And as you can see, I'm sitting in it. I'm not even on a wall right now. You don't need to be on a wall. But the wall does give a little bit of extra support if you want to do that, but it's not needed. So you got this right here, the back cushion that comes off, as you can see. And then you've got this attached, which is what holds it up. And then you mix that with the wall, and it's just, dude, that's crazy. The number I'm seeing on the screen, that's crazy. You can get that for that. So this is one way of using it right here. Now let's go ahead. Let's take this off. We're going to undo these side pieces right here. I'm going to throw this off to the side just for a second. As I unfold this, I'm just going to unfold it down here like that. And now that we're down there, we can bring this down again. And I'm gonna do this side first, which isn't super necessary. I'm gonna plug that. There we go. And now what we can do is we can bring this back over here, right like that, like so. Now we've got sort of like a bed vibe here. Just hanging out in my bed, just enjoying life, just relaxing. We need more relaxation in this world. It's very important. So we got that. The other thing we can do here, we can undo this. And now we've got this pillow right here. And you can even take this, you want to lay on your side. You can sort of just use this however you want for some extra comfort or whatever. I think this thing's amazing. Just a great value, comfortable, easy. Highly recommend.